Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a look at how to fit personalised keycaps to your NR-510 or 520R registers. So we're presuming you've programmed the machine. This one's programmed. So if you've gone to the trouble of programming your PLU buttons and maybe some of your function keys, then really you want to use keycaps to make the identification of the PLUs easier. So we've got PLUs 1 to 12 programmed, so I'm going to show you how to fit the new keycaps. These are my personalised keycaps, so I've got a document for NR-500 keycaps which I then just edit and print out every time I've got one to program, then obviously cut to size. So I've done all that, so I'm now ready to actually do the fitting. So the first thing is to make sure the machine's switched off, so you don't want to accidentally put through any sales or erroneous transactions while you're setting the machine up. And then we'll start with PLU 1, so this button here, and you just lift up the plastic keycap. That comes off nice and easy. Sometimes you'll find the paper, the existing paper, will come away with it. You take your new one, so my PLU 1 is grocery. You just pop it in and then keep hold of the original Sam4S one just in case you reset the machine or sell it on or want to start again, and then that's it. So I'll do that again. You can prise them off from the side or the top. PLU 2, so mine's dairy, so I'll just put that in the front, pop in the original one at the back, and then you'll notice I'm just holding it in place with my finger and then pop it on top carefully just to make sure the paper doesn't fold away. Again, just lift off the plastic cover, find your PLU 3. So you'll notice when I've programmed mine or printed mine, I've kept the original number, so it still says PLU 3, and it's got these little letters in the bottom left hand corner, so they're useful if you ever need to do some reprogramming. So it's worth adding those to the button description as well. You don't have to. If you're confident you'll never edit it, then you can just have your product description on there. So PLU 4 confectionery, in it goes. PLU 5. The 500 raised keyboard machines are actually the easiest ones. Some of the older machines or from different manufacturers, it's an absolute pig of a job, but on this machine it's nice and easy. Just lift off the plastic cover, pop in your new keycap. So what I'll do in the description, I'll put some information about either where to download these keycaps from. I can't remember if they're available online, or I'll give you the dimensions so you can just set up your own Word document or Excel document. Oh. I'll do 8, so there's my 8 PLU keycaps. I've also edited the charge button to be card on the actual machine, so the description when I sell through that button, so it just makes sense to change that as well. So you can, if you've got time, you can go to town on the colours and everything, make it look like the official Sam4S version. Pop it back on, and then the machine's ready to operate again. So pop a sale through our grocery button, grocery comes up, and then we use our cart button. So it's just a nice way of finishing off the programming of the machine, and then obviously it just helps your staff find the correct buttons a lot easier rather than having a list of PLU numbers and then the descriptions next to the till. So yeah, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the NR-500 series registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.